Wonder what we could do. Could we have more assertiveness training? We could. More of the other things? We could. But based on our evidence-based practice, if you continue to do the same thing and get the same results, what's that define? Insanity. Yeah. And he said, okay, I believe you didn't plan it, but what I saw is that you all up there spontaneously adapted to problems and you solved them. And can you come and talk to my engineers?
It was absolutely fantastic.
My goal for you is that we're going to teach you how to begin tearing down walls and building bridges. Can you say that with me? Tear down walls and build bridges. Say it to your neighbor. Let's do this. Tear down walls and build bridges. That's good.
She's authentic and she's passionate about what she does.
Are you willing to risk being vulnerable to tear down walls and build bridges in your lives? Yeah. All right, we're ready to begin.
Candy Campbell is an amazing speaker.
And it's so interactive, you will not get bored, just so much entertainment, so much learning.
Thank you so much, Candy. You did an amazing job.
Oh, all the research points to this. One of the top 3, if not the top 1, of problems that create errors, that create division, is communication.
If you have any barriers or any apprehension about communicating with one person, 5 people, or 5,000,
Of course, I've been a commercial actor for many, many years. As a side gig, if you know anything about that, it's really hard to make a living unless you take off your clothes. But anybody ever feel like this in the last year? You think anybody else in your organization feels like that? Later research said, and I thought this was so interesting. Have you heard that people who sing in groups bond terrifically? Are you ready? Okay, make new friends and keep the old. One is silver and the other is gold.
Thank you. Candy, you can take Dramamine.
Dramamine? Drugs? You want me on drugs?
Well, Candy, if we're going to room together, that would be really good.
I knew there was something about you. I knew that's how you handled stress.
I had so much fun, I wet my pants twice.
Me too.